about Vancouver general contractors through internet search. We searched for contractors in Vancouver, and a number of them came up, and so we selected VGC out of that group, and we selected 3 in the beginning, and had 3 estimates, and 3 people come over and look, and so that's how we got VGC. Well, we selected VGC because of our original experience with the consultants that we dealt with. They were very professional. They were able to make things easy for us, and also the design process and that we had with VGC was originally very easy. I think my favorite part about the end product is the bathrooms and the kitchens. We kind of went out on a limb with the kitchen, and we chose floating shelves rather than going to cabinets, and I really liked that choice. It turned out really well. At first I wasn't sure how much space we were going to have on the floating shelves, but it turned out really well, so we're quite happy with that. We like the countertops and we just like the way the cabinets and all that fit in there too. My favorite part of the design process, I think, again, was sitting at the office and going through a sort of design of the house and being able to change that immediately on the I guess the CAD, the computer assisted drafting, or whatever it's called. So that was my favorite part. Oh, my family and friends react with they just love it, right? It's just a beautiful renovation, you know, and they let us know. We found it easier going through the design process at the office with VGC because everything was up on the TVs. We were able to discuss and make changes immediately on the computer and have different designs. So we were able to find what we want in a fairly short period of time. I would refer friends and family over to VGC. If we were doing a reno again, I would mention it.